Hey, it's John Mandeville here from the Collab 365 Academy. Just a topic really here that came up on one of the 5-day challenge sessions today, and it's around using copy and paste actions for your nodes in Power Automate. And there's a few ways you can do this. And I demonstrated today the really simple way, for example, grabbing one of the tasks, one of the nodes, using the ellipsis, copy to clipboard. And then, for example, if in that same flow you want to reuse it, let's just do a new step, and you can choose the clipboard. You'll see I clicked it twice, which was slightly foolish, but you can do that. Now, the other angle on that is, okay, I want to reuse that on a different flow. Now, I happen to have open, which is quite key in this, another flow in the same session effectively. So if I now go new step in that other flow, it could be an existing one or something different, you can see I've got my two tasks. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely close this down. I'm going to close that one down as well. And I mentioned that what I'd done is I'd copy and pasted, in the session today, I'd copy and pasted using text. So let's just go back into Power Automate. Let's do that thing. So I'll go into my flows. I will go into my, my leave request flow. Sing a song while I wait. So I've got some wonderful date maths, which is really handy. I want to reuse that everywhere. So if I copy to my clipboard, as I demonstrated earlier, I can get a text version of this. So effectively, this is the underlying instruction that's taking place. Now, that might look total gibberish, and it probably is, but it's really handy if you had a catalogue of these and you use some kind of convention to be able to reuse that. Now, what you can do, let's imagine I've done that. I've copied it. I didn't want to use it in this flow again. I didn't want to use it in another one right now. I've gone away. Let's just see what the experience is going to be like. So let's just come back 6 months later, remembering I've got that text that I used there. Let's just create an instant cloud flow. Don't really matter what happens to trigger it. In fact, no, what I'll do, excuse me. Do a new in. I will press the right button now. Instant cloud flow. Let's just manually trigger it. Right. So I've been away for some time now, and if I click on my clipboard, you'll notice I haven't got an awful lot in there. I can't reuse something from a previous flow because I might have logged out. It might just be time. So here's the fun bit. I've got my catalog here. So I'm going to copy it. So I selected it all, copied it. All I do is I click into my clipboard, Control V, and hey presto, it is there. So I can now reuse it. And I can now create almost a library of nodes that I find useful. And that's just quite a nice little tip and another way that you can save yourself time in Power Automate. I hope that's helpful. Any questions, please drop it into the discussions or drop us a post. Cheers.